Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to tag people on Instagram. This is actually very simple. And at first, what you want to do is head over to Instagram. Now, if it's a post that you're making, let's say I make a new post, right? This is the new post that I'm making. If I want to tag someone, what I'll do is this option you see, tag people. Click on this and then tap on the photo. Let's say this is Harry Styles, right? And then I click on done. So Harry Style will be tagged once I share this. And then if the photo is already posted and then you want to tag them, so what you want to do is go to that post, tap on the three dots at the top right, and then click on edit. From there, click on tag people, and then you tag Harry Styles from here, just like so. As you can see, Harry Styles is tagged. Now, if it's a story, let's say this is the story we're uploading and we want to tag Harry here. All we'll do is click on this AA at the top, which is texting, and then we type in Harry Styles, just like so, and then click on done, and Harry will be tagged, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.